Hi everyone, I'm Matt Tietz, owner of McDonough Manufacturing, and today I want to talk about the most important part that we make here at McDonough, and that is our band mill wheels. What we're looking at right now is a rough casting, and this is cast iron. It's not a steel wheel. Cast iron, super important when it comes to a band mill. When you're running that steel saw blade on a steel wheel, it creates friction, has heat, and that heat stays in that saw blade and it causes that blade to lose tension a lot faster. When you have a cast iron wheel, that cast iron pulls the heat out of the saw blade and keeps that blade cool. Tension stays in that saw blade a lot longer, creating a lot less work for the filers in the filing room. So very, very important to have a cast iron wheel on your band mills and not a steel wheel. So this is a rough casting. This is how we get it in from the foundry. Once it hits McDonough and we start working on it, what we do is we put it on our lathe, and you can see here everything that's shiny, we machine. So we machine the entire, both sides of the wheel, the face of the wheel, the edges, bore it out, do all of that work, and just kind of trues up the wheel a little bit. Once we rough that machine, we'll drill it, we'll key it if need be, and then it goes over to our finishing process. So you can see our big lathe here that roughs our wheel. Once we have that wheel all roughed, we put it on what we call just kind of a big lathe. And what that lathe does is it takes this roughed wheel, we assemble it also, put that shaft in. If there's any bearings needed, we put bearings in that wheel as well. And what we do on the lathe, if we come around to the front of the face here, we put a finish pass on the face of this wheel. When we pie tape it, this is a roughed wheel right now, so it's not finished. But once we finish this wheel, we pie tape it and we make sure that that wheel is within actually less than a thousandth of an inch, so it's very, very accurate. Keeps that saw blade on there from moving or miscutting lumber. And the most important part we make here at McDonough is our band mill wheels.